guys, so I just got my hair from K Hair and they are so lush and nice. I love my hairs. Look how lush they are. No shredding, no tangling. They are the best. K Hair is the best hair plug. I love my hairs. I finally got my hair from K Hair Vietnam. The hair are absolutely gorgeous. I have different type of hair, curly, straight. The hair is very silky, very beautiful. It's a curly one. Very beautiful. Tracy, thank you. You're the best seller. I can't wait to try it and send it to my client. Thank you very much. Love it. Just got my hair from K Hair. Beautiful, tangle free. Can't wait to try it. It's absolutely gorgeous, lovely, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair. Thank you, K Hair.